Register on BitMart with the referral code bonus88 and unlock welcome rewards worth up to 14,000 USDT. The offer won't last long. Claim it while you can. Today we're breaking down BitMart, a global crypto exchange known for its massive welcome bonuses and wide selection of cryptocurrencies. If you're searching for a platform that's easy to use, packed with features, and rewarding for new users, this is a video you don't want to skip. And remember, the referral code you need is bonus88, which unlocks the full bonus package. What BitMart is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange offering spot trading, futures trading, staking, and access to a huge range of coins. It's grown rapidly thanks to its simple interface, strong security, and active rewards program for both new and existing users. With thousands of crypto assets available, BitMart appeals to both newcomers and experienced traders looking for variety, key features, and benefits. BitMart offers a massive selection of trading pairs. It also supports futures trading for users who prefer leverage. Trading fees are competitive, and users can access extra utility features such as staking, earning programs, and promotional events through its rewards hub. Security features include multi-factor authentication and risk control systems, helping protect funds and accounts. Welcome bonus explained. Referral code bonus88. Let's talk about the part everyone asks about, the welcome bonus. When you register using the referral code bonus88, you gain access to a welcome package worth up to 14,000 USDT. Your actual reward depends on your first deposit amount, trading volume, and which tasks you complete in the rewards hub. This promotion changes based on BitMart's campaigns. So the sooner you register, the better your chances of receiving the full reward. How to claim the bonus using code bonus88. Claiming your bonus is simple. Create your BitMart account, enter the referral code bonus88, complete your verification if required, then deposit funds and start trading. Different rewards unlock as you progress through tasks like making your first trade or reaching certain volume milestones. Keep in mind that bonus rewards are meant to be used inside the platform and are not instantly withdrawable. Tips for new users: before you start trading, make sure to enable two-factor authentication. Spend a little time exploring the interface so you understand how spot and futures orders behave. Begin with smaller positions while learning the system, especially if you're new to leverage trading. Always read the conditions of each bonus inside the rewards hub so you know exactly what you're getting. Important disclaimers: as with any crypto exchange, trading carries real financial risk. Even though BitMart offers strong incentives and a wide variety of coins, market volatility can lead to significant losses. Trade responsibly, manage your positions carefully, and never risk funds you can't afford to lose. If you're ready to try BitMart and secure your welcome bonus, sign up now using the referral code bonus88. The bonus structure can change at any time, and once it does, the higher reward tiers may disappear. Register today, enter bonus88, complete your setup, and start exploring the platform. Once you've signed up, drop a comment saying "done" so I can send you more trading tips. BitMart offers a powerful mix of features, an enormous selection of crypto assets, and one of the most generous welcome packages available right now. If you want a platform that rewards new traders heavily, BitMart is worth trying. Use referral code bonus88, trade responsibly, and I'll see you in the next video.